The idea is that blood witches. I'm going to explain this at the beginning, actually. Blood witches and fairborn witches are the two types of witches. And there's blood witches there, and they believe that, well, they don't believe, they know that if you eat someone's heart, you get their powers, obviously. And so they've just killed a fairborn witch. And so she's eating his heart and taking his powers. And it's gross, horrible, very unpleasant.
So, but thematically, that seems to be almost like a microcosm of the show, of this idea that she's doing something kind of terrible, but it's creating something beautiful. And is it a good thing? Is it a bad thing?
Yeah. It's kind of like yes. I mean, it's a sort of weird, fucked up, odd. Yeah, but in that way, it is a microcosm of the show. It's just really gross and weird. But yeah, I think thematically as well.
If you're hungry as well, there is a vending machine out there that's got hearts in it, and genuinely in the main hall. So
you can get your own hearts and stuff. They're very delicious.
How did you guys feel about the gore? Were you kind of into it? Were you comfortable with it?
I think I just became quite numb to it.
We are scarred now. Please help.
I definitely got used to being covered in blood. We both did. But I think that scene that we've just seen is a really beautiful and actually a really important turning moment of the show, because I think it's the first time that we see Nathan kind of
shy away from the group.
Yeah, and I think it's the first time that we see Annalise not fit in at all and feel like an outsider in the world.